I'm back with some news regarding Tesla. So just a few minutes ago, thanks to Sawyer over on X, it is just announced that Tesla has released their cheapest Cybertruck yet. I'm gonna go over the pricing. It starts off at $59,990, which I think is a sweet spot. Now, will it sell? We don't know, but this is great news, and I think Tesla really needs to push advertisement on this price, not only on the X platform, but also on TV, which Tesla lacks advertising in. But let me go over the specs that it does have. So here are my notes. It has 325 miles of range. Up to yes, it has a coil spring with adaptive dampening, 18-inch wheel all-season tires, 10-inch ground clearance, and also the same 18.5-inch screen in the front, but no 9-inch screen in the back. So there are some cost cutting, to bring it down to the 59,000. And also it does come with a motorized tonneau cover, which I don't know why they would take that away. That's a pretty big feature on the truck. But yeah, that's all I have on the uh, newly released all-wheel drive Cybertruck. Um, hey, go ahead and get it if you want it now. I think $59,990 is a sweet spot. The question is, will it sell? Do you guys think it will move units? Would you buy one for $59,000? Do you think it should go lower than that? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.